Welcome back guys on Boom Boom Boys. How you can see today we are sitting in Citroen C3 2016 generation, and today I gonna present you one of the, let's say, classic cars. For me it's not so beautiful. I don't like Citroen. I mean, I'm not type of the people who like it because the steering wheel looks so bad. For me, I don't know, for someone else maybe it looks so nice, and plus the whole design of the car for me looks so bad. This table in front of me looks classic and very bad. I don't know why, but okay, it's like a nice for some people who like it. Guys, don't hate me because I don't like, really I don't like it. Looks very bad for me. This design here is one of the most beautiful designs I ever seen. Really discreetly made, and all these things here look so nice. This monitor is small, let's say, like, okay, it's big like a tablet. It's, wait a second, oh, it's big like my phone, so okay, it's really nice. This transmission I already saw in Peugeot. This handbrake is classic, 12-volt charger, and I don't know what's this here. Okay, we get little storage. This time I bring bottle with me, so we're gonna check how much space we really got. Let's check first of all here. Okay, big bottle like of 1 liter and half can stay inside, but I don't think it can stay, let's say, here. Just a moment. Well, it does, so it's really nice. Okay, these details looks okay. I like this I like, and I don't like this. So this place here looks like a, I don't know, one of the most beautiful places. I mean, let's say the things what you can like hold or whatever. I don't even know why they made it. You have like a place to put your hand here. You can put even here and drive like this or this. So it depends on that how you like. So this time we're gonna check how car really sounds. This is a key. You see, just press that button, and here you got like the place where you should put it, and then give contact. Just a moment, I have to put it. Okay, nice. Let me just, oh, this seat is very good. Oh, look at this. This looks very nice. Okay, let's check. Oh, wait a second, I have to find where is. Okay, here is the buttons for your radio. Just here under this you have to press. This is for music, but it doesn't work. I don't know why. Oh. Okay, this time I make it quiet. On this button you can make it quiet. It's so loud, and I don't want it to be loud. So this time let's check what we got here. Okay, we got like place for the radio station, we get place for the pictures, we get place for the music, we get the settings, and what we get here. Okay, same place. So we don't have so much functions. That's bad. I don't like it. Big 2 for me. It's not the 10. So let's say from 0 to 10 it's 2. It's really bad. Okay, let's check the sound. Okay, here you get the button. I don't know is it even work. Okay, it is. Okay, we don't want to like listen because we can get copyright, so we don't want it. Okay, here let's see how it really works. Wow, very correct. Okay, you have automatic. Nice. Oh, okay, I like this design. It's so beautiful. It's so freaking beautiful. Okay, now let's see this place. Okay, here is, I think, fuel level. I hope you can see. Okay, there is a fuel. There is how much this car really pass. There is for this, I don't know how is it even called. And let's try. Okay, let's hear engine. But before that, Amazing sound, guys, amazing sound. So let's check the back seat, but this time let's turn off engine. Nice. Okay, this probably say that we didn't close the door, but let's close it. Okay, when I put, let's say this in front driver's seat, like with my dimensions, I have so much space. Okay, not but so much, but I have really for comfort driving. So this time, let's say that I have really enough space. I feel so comfortable, but I don't like the seats. I hope, yeah, if you see, I have really enough space for my head. So it looks so nice sitting here. I don't like, because again I say these things, basic package, whatever it is, very bad created. This look, this design, look, beautiful, cheap. What the logic is that? And same from this side. Oh, we get some hole here.